Get official Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 College Gameday Live Nashville, Tennessee October 25, 2025 T-shirt for the ultimate college football showdown with the official Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 College Gameday Live Nashville, Tennessee October 25, 2025 T-shirt. Perfectly designed for fans attending the live game or showing support from home. This exclusive collection highlights your team spirit in style. Crafted with 100% cotton and proudly made in the United States. Each piece ensures comfort, breathability, and durability throughout the intense game day celebrations. Washed T-shirt Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, Classic Comfort. Cheer on the Tigers vs Commodores. Official 2025 College Gameday in Nashville. Get your tee. The washed T-shirt in this collection brings a classic, vintage feel to your gameday wardrobe. The soft, pre-washed cotton fabric provides a relaxed fit that is perfect for lounging, cheering, or tailgating. Featuring the Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 design. This T-shirt combines nostalgia with modern comfort, ensuring you stay stylish and comfortable all day long. T-shirt Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, Waves of Comfort. The classic. Gear up for the Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodores 2025 Game Day in Nashville. Our standard T-shirt offers a timeless look with a structured fit that suits all body types. Made from 100% cotton, it delivers lightweight breathability while proudly displaying the Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 artwork. Ideal for wearing on game day, at school, or casually around town. This T-shirt is a versatile addition to any fan's wardrobe. Tank top Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, riding the in style. Join the excitement. Missouri Tigers clash with Vanderbilt Commodores in Nashville, October 25, 2025, for warmer days and energetic tailgate parties. The tank top version of the Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 T-shirt keeps you cool and agile. Crafted with soft cotton, it allows maximum airflow while maintaining a stylish fan look. Show off your team pride under the sun without sacrificing comfort or durability. V-neck Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, Elegance and Edge. Get ready for College Gameday in Nashville. Support Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodores. The V-neck T-shirt offers a contemporary silhouette while maintaining all the comfort of classic cotton. Perfect for fans seeking a slightly more fashionable approach. This V-neck highlights the Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 graphics with a flattering fit that works well for both casual and game day outfits. Sweater Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, warmth and attitude. Gear up for the ultimate showdown. Missouri Tigers take on Vanderbilt Commodores in Nashville. As the temperature drops, our sweater option ensures you stay warm while supporting your team. Made from premium cotton, it delivers a soft, cozy feel that's perfect for chilly October nights in Nashville. With bold Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 designs on the front, you'll make a statement whether at the stadium or at a watch party. Hoodie Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025, ultimate comfort and style. Gear up for the ultimate showdown. Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodores in Nashville. For maximum warmth and comfort, the hoodie version of this collection is unbeatable. Crafted with 100% cotton, it features a soft inner lining, roomy pockets, and a hood to keep you snug during early morning tailgates or evening games. Display your Missouri Tigers vs Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 pride in a hoodie that combines style, practicality, and team spirit. Conclusion. No official Missouri Tigers vs. Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 College Gameday Live Nashville, Tennessee October 25. 2025 T-shirt style. Washed T-shirt, standard T-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweater, or hoodie. This official Missouri Tigers vs. Vanderbilt Commodore 2025 College Gameday Live Nashville, Tennessee October 25. 2025 collection ensures every fan can celebrate the game in comfort and style. Made with 100% cotton and produced in the United States. These pieces are more than just apparel. They are keepsakes of an unforgettable college football moment. Don't wait. Grab yours today and make your game day experience truly special. Other product.